Stomach. Name of the organ is a stomach. Other name is a amashay, gaster or venter. Introduction. It is a muscular bag, widest and most distensible part, act as a reservoir of the food. Location epigastrium, umbilical and left hypochondriac. Shape is a J-shaped. Size is a 25 centimeter. Capacity in at the time of birth 30 ml, puberty 1000 ml and 1500 ml at adult. Now the external feature, it contains two orifices, cardiac and pyloric orifice. Cardiac orifice joins the lower end of the esophagus and pyloric orifice opens into the duodenum. Now the curvature, it contains two curvature, lesser and greater curvature. Lesser curvature form right border and greater curvature form the left border, and lesser curvature attachment of the lesser omentum and greater curvature give attachment to the greater omentum. Now surfaces, it contains two surfaces, anterior and posterior. Anterior is a antero-superior surface and posterior is a postero-inferior surface. Now the parts, it contains four parts: fundus, body, pyloric antrum and pyloric canal. Fundus, it is a dome shaped body, it lies between the fundus and pylorus. Pyloric antrum, it is 7.5 cm and pyloric canal is a 2.5 cm long. Now the relations, it contains two relations, peritoneum and visceral. Now the visceral relation, anterior surface relation and posterior surface relation. Anterior surface relation, it includes liver, diaphragm, anterior abdominal wall. Now the posterior surface relation is also known as the stomach bed. It contains the organs like diaphragm, left kidney, left suprarenal gland, pancreas, transverse mesocolon, splenic flexure of colon, splenic artery and sometimes spleen. Interior relation of the stomach, it having mucosa, submucosa coat, muscle coat and serous coat. Now the blood supply, right and left gastric artery and right and left gastroepiploic artery. Now the venous drainage, portal vein, superior mesenteric vein and splenic vein. Nerves, T6 to T10 by the sympathetic and parasympathetic by the vagus. Now the functions, reservoir of the food, peristaltic movement, gastric juice, produces intrinsic factor and produces abundant mucus. Now the clinical anatomy, gastric pain, gastric ulcer, gastric carcinoma, pyloric obstructions, peptic ulcer. Investigation of stomach, it contains FTM to estimate the gastric acidity, radiographic examination and endoscopic. Thank you.